Hello friends and welcome back to another new video. In this session that we will be talking about the topic virus and human cancer. Both the DNA viruses and RNA viruses having the capacity to transform the cell. That is, these viruses have a special capacity to integrate into host chromosome and it alter the cellular pathway of host. As a result, these viruses having a capacity to alter gene expression and results in the development of cancer. So these viruses is what we called as oncovirus. Oncovirus means those viruses that having a capacity to form or to develop cancer in individuals. That is what we called as oncovirus. And there are DNA tumor viruses and RNA tumor viruses are there. And the DNA tumor viruses can be again divided into two as simple tumor viruses as well as complex DNA tumor viruses. The first discovered tumor viruses are Shop papilloma virus and fibroma virus, okay, which was discovered in rabbit and it was discovered in 1930s by Richard Shop that he found that wild rabbit tumor has been transferred into domestic rabbits. So next we are going to a brief explanation regarding small DNA tumor viruses. So among small DNA tumor virus, the first family is papillomaviridae and example for that is papilloma virus. So papillomavirus is a small and double-stranded DNA virus and those having 8 kilo base pair genomic size. And papillomavirus possess major protein caspids as L172 pentamers. And there are almost 100 types of human papillomaviruses are present, but it's not proven that these particular all type of viruses having a capacity to cause cancer. But it's proved that almost 16% of these viruses having a capacity to cause female cancers and almost 10% of total cancer, worldwide cancer is caused by this particular viruses. Mainly the human papilloma viruses has been transferred through sexual contact. Among the 100 types of human papilloma virus, more than 60% is cutaneous and about 40% is mucosal types. The high risk human papillomavirus include human papillomavirus 16 and 18 that having a capacity to cause cutaneous warts, and not only that, it's approximately 16% that results in cervical cancers. And low risk human papillomaviruses are 6 and 11, so that usually results in enogenital wart. So the human papillomavirus can be said that a single double-stranded DNA tumor viruses having 8 kilo base pairs are bound with histone proteins and those having 72 pentamers capsids, and its capsids having late 1 and late 2 structural protein. So that's about the first family. Papilloma viridae belongs to papilloma virus. So next, let's go on to next family, that is polyoma viridae, and let's set about polyomavirus. So the polyomaviruses are small non-enveloped DNA virus and the major caspid protein is 72 pentamers. The total genome is 5 kilo base pairs and each particles is about 40 to 50 nanometer in size. And it mainly includes three types, that is mouse polyomavirus, SV40 and human polyomavirus. So mouse polyomavirus means these are isolated from AK mice, causes hamster and leukemia. SV40 discovered in rhesus monkey kidney cells and that causes sarcoma. And these oncogenic DNA viruses induce primary brain and bone cancer. And in case of human polyomavirus, BK and JC first two polyomavirus isolated in 1971. So BK from urine of kidney patient and JC isolated from brain of Hodgkin's lymphoma patient. And these tumor was injected into the animals that results in the forming human tumor. And common that can be seen in 5% of AIDS patients and BK viral DNA can be also seen in human prostate cancer. And three other human polyomavirus described as KIWV and Mersal cell polyomavirus. Next is family Adenoviridae. That the best example for that is adenovirus. Adenovirus is larger than polymoviridae and adenoma viruses, and it's almost having 35 kilobase pairs in genomic size, and no human cancer have been associated with these adenoviruses. Originally, these are isolated from tonsils, adenoids, or highly oncogenic in animals, and virus integrated to the host genome, and this portion codes for T antigen, and host cell antibody against the T antigen was produced. So this was a very brief introduction regarding simple tumor virus. Coming to next is complex tumor virus. The family is Herpes viridae, and that belongs to herpes viruses. And they are cause chronic infections lead to cirrhosis, and which are larger DNA viruses that almost having 100 to 200 kilo base pair in size, and which are highly tumorogenic in animals. And these herpes viruses capable for causing chromosomal breakage. So coming to next is Epstein-Barr virus, that is HV40, and Epstein-Barr virus results in Burkitt lymphoma, and that also results in infectious mononucleosis conditions, Duncan syndrome, and other kind of lymphomas and all. And coming to next is sarcoma herpes virus, which is HV8, which infects lymphocytes and epithelial cells, and mainly they can be seen in AIDS patients, and Kaposi's sarcoma can be commonly seen. And next complex DNA viruses are belongs to family HepaDNA viridae, and that are different from other kind of DNA tumor viruses, and that are similar to RNA viruses. So next is RNA tumor viruses or retroviruses. These are the type of viruses that inserts a copy of its RNA genome into the DNA of host cells, and that results in change in genome of the cells. Example for that is hepatitis C viruses, which are RNA virus that cause chronic hepatitis, cirrhosis, and it having a capacity for infecting liver cells. And coming to next is human T lymphotrophic virus, which are single-stranded RNA retroviruses, and that results in T cell leukemia and viral infections that mainly causes common symptoms such as lower back pain and radiating to legs and urinary involuntary loss. So this was a very brief video regarding viruses and human cancer. I hope you enjoyed my video. Thanks for your watching, and see you soon, and have a nice day, and please subscribe on my channel. Thank you.